There is a new viral saying going around on social media that there is piss in the dating pool.
Oh, Lord.
This speaks to the reality or perception that the quality of the dating pool is tainted. Ironically, many of those same people complaining about the piss in the pool are the ones adding to it,
Ain't that right?
either by having negative qualities and traits others do not like, or being in denial or not caring to improve them.
You ain't talking about me.
Maybe they just don't properly screen or vet the people in the pool, allowing them to prey on them.
Okay, blame the victim.
Okay, assuming there is more piss in the dating pool than in previous times, let's take out the metaphor and put it into real terms of what constitutes, quote, piss. Dishonesty in any form, lies, deliberate misconceptions, deliberate misrepresentations of self, etc. Bad personality traits like bad attitude, anger issues, inability to effectively communicate, inability to be present. Non-disclosure of critical, possibly deal-breaking facts about past or present that may impact the relationship. Personal baggage such as baby mamas and daddies, legal issues, health issues, etc. These are the basic items that people are calling, quote, the piss in the dating pool. This is the whole basis of Qualified to Love, to help you find and both be qualified and continue to not piss in the dating pool. Too many are in the pool that are oblivious and adding to everything bad in the pool,
Talking about me.
always believing that the other person is the problem and they are the victim. If they do take some responsibility, their part is minimized and they write the narrative that protects their own ego. It is imperative that you be brutally honest at your part in the breakup, whether you were the one doing the pissing or you just didn't jump out the way of their pissing.
What is this, some R. Kelly video?
Right?
Okay, I think we beat that metaphor into the ground. Let's talk about the qualities of what a great dating pool would be.
The water's great. Come on in.
Someone that is open and honest about their wounds and issues and has either conquered those issues or have them very well managed by continuing their growth process. Someone that has clear relationship goals and they align with yours. Someone that understands love as an action verb and is a state of manifesting its fruits of kindness, caring, compassion, empathy, understanding, patience, listening to understand, not just respond and defend, affectionate and passion. Someone that is continually seeking to express and grow in self-love, self-care, self-mastery, and to better self to be a better mate. We could go on, but that covers the foundational principles of what it means to be qualified to love, and any more description would be redundant variations of what already was stated. These qualities are indeed high bars. The point is not to be perfect in meeting them in every moment, but to practice them until you become them. If you want love, you must be loved.
Now that's deep.
Thank you for listening on your journey to being qualified to love.